Hello everyone out there, this is the Prodigy and I'm coming to you with a quick video tonight just about how to drive traffic with online marketing. And the way we're going to actually help you do that. Remember, no traffic equals no sales. Yes, it's a sad fact. However, with our help, eh, um, with our marketing and our techniques and our tools, especially our automation software that's going to help you drive traffic, what we're going to be doing is putting your basically promoting your putting your site out there on top search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and sites like that actually drive the most targeted traffic. Because just keep in mind, guys, with targeted traffic, that equals commissions. And of course, if you're seeing commissions, then we're happy, correct? So once again, targeted traffic equals commissions. Now, I know a lot of you out there fail online at trying to bring in leads, because that's one of the hardest factors of marketing, is being able to drive the correct type of leads. And if you cannot do that, then you're not going to be able to be successful, or be as successful as you would like. Because when you have tools, when you have the knowledge, you have the marketing techniques that drive traffic, then that's what you're going to need to see the sales. And of course, with 19 years of professional online marketing and being very successful and helping tons of people at what I do, I have those correct tools and mentoring and techniques you will be needing. On top of that, we have an automation software that is driving crazy traffic, and what it basically does is it puts your advertisement out there on pay-per-click sites like Google, Yahoo, and Bing, and basically instead of being charged $5 to $10 a click for this targeted traffic, we're actually in contract with them. So we're going to be actually sending you that same type of traffic, but an unlimited amount. That's just a lot of reason why a lot of people do quit, because they get overwhelmed. You're sitting there all day and you're trying to figure out, you're typing on your keyboard, blah 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 blah, and you're trying to figure out what to do. How can I make money online? And you find your little business, and you think you found the opportunity of a lifetime. But when you get in there, it gives you a link. It says share this to your friends and family. Question mark. If your friends and family could have made you rich, then you would have been rich a long time ago. You don't want to share anything to your friends and family. You don't want to make a couple dollars. You want to be able to make a lifestyle out of this. Make a lifestyle change, be financially free, be able to do this full time, and you be happy while doing it, because you're going to get that freedom you want. You're going to get that time you want. You're going to be able to do things you've always wanted to do with your spouse, with your family, by yourself, and whatnot. But just keep in mind, guys, keep in mind that targeted traffic is what people cannot find, or is what most newbies fail at, and they get overwhelmed and they quit. And I understand that. That's why with my training, my step-by-step guide, my manual, with all of our EPS training, guys, you will see success very fast. Not only with EPS, but with any other company that you market in the future. With our advanced level right now, that's only $200. It's actually $50 off. You're going to get guaranteed results in 24 hours. You're going to get guaranteed traffic with our automation software. You're going to get guaranteed results, guys. Dude, nobody says that, and the reason why, they don't have the tools I have. They don't have the knowledge I have. I test this out daily. Just go in the comments, look below. You'll see members of mine testifying about what they earn. I'm no joke, guys. I'm here to help you succeed. And if you think I'm a joke, then why are you watching my video? Move forward, because I don't need you here. If you're thinking this is all crap, then leave. I don't need you here. I'm not here to make a little bit of money. I'm not here to help. I'm not here to take money from people, to make money. I've already seen success. I've made plenty of money. My product should be $2,000 for the pro, $20,000 for the advanced. But my goal right now is to help others succeed. So I'm give it to them at the lowest price of $200 for the advance right now. That is incredible. Something that could actually change your life for a measly $200, a quarter of your paycheck, which you're going to go out and spend for a dinner in one night, could actually change your life, could actually put you on the right path of success, could actually guide you to where you need to be. And the reason why we can do that, and what makes us different, is I want you to listen up. We're all about support. We have live chat support. We have text support. We have phone support. We have email support. We have it all. We have booking a call with us. That way we know when you need us, when you want us, and when you got to have us. We have features that make everything easy for you to see success, that's going to make everything easy for you to move forward and start seeing results. Guys, we're here for you. We want to be your backbone. We want to make sure that you're on the right track. Now, guys, I want everybody out there to I want everybody out there, that's struggling right now, that, can pay their bills, that, don't know what's going to happen, week after week, wondering, stressing, you know, don't do that. I want you to bow your head. I want you to pray right now with us. Dear Father, bless us. Take away the stress. Take away the problems. Cast all demons away. Send your angels down and to basically send your angels down to cast away all demons that are holding us our financial burdens, that are bringing us financial burdens, that are trying to attack us, that are trying to harm us. I want you to cast them away. I want you to cast the devil himself away, and I want you to protect us and bless us. Amen. Guys, God's going to be the one to help you succeed. God's going to be the one that that push you in the right direction. God's going to be the one that helps you. So if you're not asking, you're not going to receive. Everyone out there, my website's in the description. God's Life Quotes, GodsLifeQuotes.com. Phone number is 239-362-6591. Give me a call, shoot me a text, come on live chat. Any way you want to do it, but anyhow, guys, I want y'all to stay blessed and see you in my next video.